Young Rexy chases butterfly. Sunlight beams, Rexy roams far. Rexy's straying blissfully unaware. Rexy's joy turns to fear, alone. The enchanting jungle transforms into a menacing labyrinth of towering trees and eerie whispers, amplifying Rexy's mounting fear. Rexy's tiny arms twitch nervously as he cries out, his innocent question echoing in the ominous silence. Oh no! Where is my family? In the depths of the forest, Rexy halts, his senses alert as a rustling shatters the calm, hinting at an imminent encounter. With a gentle nudge, Trixie emerges from the foliage, her vibrant frill a beacon of hope in the dense undergrowth. Trixie's cheerful greeting, "You look lost, Rexy," pierces through the forest's silence, offering solace and guidance. Rexy's heartfelt plea, "I am. Can you help me find my family?" echoes with vulnerability and a desperate longing for connection. With a generous spirit, Trixie exclaims, "Of course! Let's ask my friends," igniting a spark of optimism for Rexy's journey. In a vibrant display of prehistoric cooperation, Rexy and Trixie unite as Ptero circles above, guiding the way. Steggy, with keen senses, sniffs for elusive clues. Rappy stealthily inspects hidden paths. Each dinosaur's unique skill intertwines, weaving a tapestry of friendship. High above Ptero, spots Rexy's family near the great volcano, signaling reunion and hope to the group. Overwhelmed with joy, Rexy dashes towards his parents, his heart pounding with the thrill of reunion. In a heartwarming embrace, Rexy is reunited with his family, their tiny arms wrapping around him in a touching display of love. Rexy exclaims with heartfelt gratitude, "Thanks, my friends.